Wall art designs are still selling like hotcakes on Etsy, with some sellers earning massive revenue from a single listing. But with high competition in this niche, how can you make sales quickly? That's why I uncover a hidden soft niche with less competition, where even one listing can generate impressive revenue. In today's video, I'll show you how I use Alura to identify this soft niche, create it fast using Kittl AI, and make it print ready with Printify. So without wasting time, let's get started. I stumbled upon a soft niche inspired by Gogh. When I click on one of the listings in this category, I notice it has been added to more people's cart, indicating strong demand. By sorting the result by most recent, I could see the product had repeated recent sales. Since I couldn't view the revenue performance directly on Etsy, I used Alura keyword research tool to search for Gogh wall art. I discovered that the competition in this soft niche was significantly lower than searching for wall art. Alura also allowed me to browse top performing designs in this niche along with their monthly and total revenue. To identify the best performing designs, I usually click this arrow to sort by highest revenue to find those still performing well consistently. To create these designs, we focus on selling it as physical products because physical product can be priced higher. But what if you don't have the capital to keep an inventory for wall art products? That's where Printify comes in. It's a print-on-demand platform that offers varieties of white label products you can easily print your design on. With its seamless integration with Etsy, you can select a product, apply your design, and have it automatically listed in your Etsy shop. When a customer purchases the product, Printify handles everything from printing to shipping, making it almost like dropshipping wall art. We'll set this up later in the video, but for now, let's dive into the design process. To craft the design using AI, I'll be using Kittl, a platform with AI features that allow me to generate high-quality designs. It also offers the option to increase the DPI to 300, which is Etsy recommended standard for better quality. Kittl has a free plan you can get started with, but to access all these amazing features, use the promo code EndatahYT to get 25% off all premium plan. To access Kittl AI, we'll start by creating a new project and setting a custom wall art size. For this project, I'll be using these dimensions and then set the DPI to 300. Next, I'll access the AI tool from the side panel. To create the prompt for this design, I will structure it in this format. Imagine a Gogh art style, then I provide the details of the prompt. Using this prompt format, Kittl AI easily understood that the design needed to be in a Gogh art style, and the results were impressive. I also experimented with other descriptions using the same format and I achieved equally impressive results. But since our goal is to create a Gogh-inspired design that truly sells, I've taken the time to craft 100 prompts based on the best-selling performing designs in this category. You'll find the link in the description, and a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once your design is complete, you need to use AI image upscale features to achieve the highest quality possible. After upscaling, click download, select PNG format, and download your designs. Now the design is ready, but we need to send it to Printify to make it print ready. First, set up your account on Printify and connect it to your Etsy store. Next, select poster under home and living category. Choose the poster with the bestseller tag, and you can click on the product detail to learn more about the provider. Then click start designing. Upload your design and position it to fit the frame perfectly. Now, if you click on variant, you see the available sizes. But to add more sizes, click select variant and you see all the available sizes you can choose from. Keep in mind that you need to manually adjust the design to fit each sizes perfectly. Once you position the design correctly, click here to lock the design for each sizes. When everything is set, click save. Now you notice that Printify provides default mockups, but you can enhance your listing by adding more quality ones. To do this, go back to your design in Kittl, select mockup, search for poster. You see a variety of high quality poster mockup to choose from. Once you're done, return to Printify and update your product name, enhance your description, and add relevant tags. But if you're unsure of how to optimize these details, I've included a link to a video that provided a step-by-step guide in the description. When everything is ready, click publish and your listing will be live on your Etsy shop. Finally, I hope this video was able to inspire you on how to craft a potential design that will actually sell. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.